कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। रुत आ रही है, रुत जा रही है, दर्द का मौसम बदला नहीं, रंग ये गम का इतना है गहरा, सदियों से होगा हल्का नहीं, हल्का नहीं। कौन जाने क्या होना है, हमको है क्या क्या अब सहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना। थैंक यू। हेलो शिवानी।
Very nice, Tarana. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
I hope you guys like that.
Yes, quite a lot.
Hi Purvi, how are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm also fine.
I'm really missing you all.
Tarana, you sang very well. It was very nice.
Taranam, how are you? Very nice. Very
Thank you,
a good
ma'am.
selection
I'm
of
very well.
song also. Very
आप
nice.
बताइए आप कैसे हैं?
बस ठीक हूँ. तुम लोगों को सबको
Really miss you, ma'am. Really miss
We
you
too
all.
miss you. We too miss you. Okay, start. Next one, who is there?
Okay. So since all are here, so I would like to say a very good afternoon. Well, you all are looking pretty gorgeous today. So starting with this, without wasting much of the time, the two hardest thing to say in life, as said by Moira Rogers, are hello for the first time and goodbye for the last. So I really want to thank you all for making our hellos the pleasant one, and I just hope this isn't the last goodbyes. So yes, we know this isn't the ideal favor you guys have dreamed of, but we'll try to make your this experience of virtual farewell really good. Hope you guys like it. Okay. So now I would really like our teachers to come and give their blessings to you guys. So shall I start, ma'am? Reenu ma'am, are you there?
I'm there. I'm here only.
Anita ma'am.
Ma'am is also here.
I'm very much here, but
Hello. Anita ma'am, can you please come and share your...
Thank you, children. And it's so nice to see you all. A very good afternoon to you all. And yes, it's been a very traumatic last 6 months because we suddenly had taken everything for granted. We used to come in, go away. We never understood that it is going to make us miss each other so much. And you children have had the most difficult times because you had to take your exams in this also. But I'm sure it has also taught us some very valuable things. One, that we need to look after ourselves. Two, we cannot take our breath for granted. We cannot take anything for granted. Anytime nature can come back and give us a whap and say, "Kya kar rahe ho? What have you done to this?" So I have seen the entire class in their naughtiness, in their good behavior. And it's a wonderful class, very lively class, very naughty, but very intelligent. And I'm very happy to see you all again, but feeling slightly sad that now it's going to be bye-bye time. And in KM, we have a tradition that we actually look after the children personally. So each one of us interacts personally with you all. And now you're going to go into the big bad world where you have to stand your own. I hope whatever we have guided you, whatever we have taught you, you will keep it well in mind and be able to take informed decisions once you're out. Nobody is going to be there to protect you. In school, your parents were there. In college, and especially KM College, where everyone is very involved, we also try to protect you and guide you as far as possible. So just remember, be true, be correct, be strong, but definitely innovate and definitely experiment. With these words, go ahead, enjoy your lives, do very well in life. Don't worry whether you have to pursue science or you have to pursue arts or become administrators or become industry CEOs. For anything, just remember, a good thinking, a good sound mind with a balance of correct, incorrect. That will help you everywhere. And be logical. Like I say, if anything defies logic, just start questioning yourselves. Don't believe anything. And nature has also taught us, if you don't listen and don't balance, things can go wrong. So all the best, do very well in life and enjoy your farewell. See, we have learned to innovate and do a farewell online. Otherwise, you would have spent so much money. Ma'am, aaj chutti de to, aaj class nahi padenge, ma'am, ye. Chalo, good. So innovation is necessary. Evolving is necessary. Take care. Enjoy yourselves. Bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thanks so much, ma'am, for your lovely wishes. Now I would like to invite Renu, ma'am. Are you there?
Shivangi, I am there. Good afternoon, all the kids. And I must congratulate second year for taking effort and bringing you all together. And life sciences, I've not been teaching since last 15 years. And this year I got the last year I got the chance to life sciences, and the last year only, you can say, last year I taught third years, semester, not year, semester, and last year I was the coordinator. So I got chance to interact with all of you, and we have been to trip together. So I find you all so lovely, and it was really a very good time with you, and wish you all the very best in whatever ventures you do in your future. And please do keep coming back to the college and stay in touch. That's what I want to add. And celebration, it was wonderful to meet you all. All the best, and congratulations once again to second year for putting up the effort to say goodbye to your seniors. All the best.
Thank you, ma'am.
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 Welcome.
Rajni, ma'am.
Yeah,
Ma'am, please come.
okay. I'm there. I'm audible?
Ma'am, you're audible, but I cannot. Yeah, I can see you.
Yeah. Audible, Luna? Okay. Hello, guys. Looking you after a long time. And I cannot say कि मैं अभी आपको नहीं पढ़ा रही हूँ. मैं तो लाइफ साइंसेस के साथ तब से जुड़ी हूँ जब से मैंने कॉलेज ज्वाइन किया है. एंड अभी मैंने थोड़ा फर्स्ट ईयर को पढ़ाना छोड़ दिया क्योंकि लोड बहुत ज्यादा हो रहा है. एंड आंसर शीट चेक करना, दैट इज द थिंग जो मैंने फर्स्ट ईयर छोड़ा. ठीक है, लेकिन आई लव लाइफ साइंस. ठीक है, एंड आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर farewell, enjoy and keep doing things. And आप जो भी आपकी मनोकामनाएं सब पूरी हो. And wish you all the best. Especially पूर्वी जब एडमिशन हुआ था, your papa was very concerned कि मैम कॉलेज ठीक है ना, यहाँ पे
Yes,
पढ़ाई तो
ma'am.
होती है ना. आई होप कि तुमने ऑल ईयर टॉप किया है क्लास में एंड योर फादर मस्ट बी सेटिस्फाइड कि केएमसी इज गुड फॉर लाइफ साइंसेज, नॉट फॉर
पूर्वी
लाइफ
से
साइंसेज,
पूछो,
फॉर
सिर्फ
एवरी
कॉलेज
सब्जेक्ट.
आती थी कि पढ़ती भी थी?
मैम वो
नहीं
सब
मैम,
कुछ
मैं
करती है.
पढ़ती भी थी.
मैम वो सब कुछ करती है, कॉलेज भी आती है, पढ़ती भी है, घूम भी लेती है, वो सब कुछ कर लेती है पूर्वी.
नहीं
शी
मैम,
इज
मैं
वेरी
ज्यादा
नाइस.
तो नहीं घूमती खैर. जो भी है थोड़ा बहुत.
हाँ, नहीं क्लास
कुकिंग भी
नॉटी
करती
है
है,
बहुत.
कुकिंग भी
हाँ,
करती है,
क्लास
पूर्वी
नॉटी
कुकिंग
है.
भी करती है. I
तो
remember
ऑल द
Purvi
बेस्ट टू
told
ऑल
me
ऑफ
ma'am
यू.
cooking करनी आती है.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
All the best to all of you. Kanak, Abhishek, you are always a great help. जब
Thank you, ma'am.
ओरिएंटेशन था तो
Thank you, ma'am.
कनक डिड ए लॉट ऑफ वर्क. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम की लाइफ साइंसेस की पीपीटी बनी थी एंड अभिषेक वाज विद हिम एंड आदित्य जो कि बाद में विड्रॉ कर गया था. स्टार्टिंग में तो ही वाज वेरी एक्टिव. एंड हर्ष हर्ष है यहाँ पर, बहुत ही नॉटी बच्चा नहीं है. चलिए, ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. बाय, सी यू, एंजॉय द डे.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so
ma'am.
much.
Okay, okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would like to invite Gauri, ma'am. Gauri, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, Shivani, I can hear you very well.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everybody. And first of all, congratulations to all. You have been through a very grilling experience of OBE, which you all have done, I believe, very nicely. None of the life science students has faced, you guys have done really better than, I would say, other students, because we didn't get any complaint from life sciences. All of you had submitted on time, and it was really a good pleasure, good experience with life science students. So congratulations on that front. And I was with you, I believe, Kritika. I am here to thank Kritika because she has been a constant help to me throughout. I remember some of you: Abhishek, Pankaj, Manisha, and Ashu, Bhavika, Priya, I believe, Tarana, you sang a lovely song. Utkarsh, I'm not remembering. Probably he was never there in my class. There were hardly 9-10 students who used to come regularly. But it was a pleasure being with you. And I wish you all my best for the future. I hope, even though this was a difficult period for you and you had to see a lot of, insecurities, and you had to go through a difficult time, but this will make you a better and a strong person. And you will in fact do much better than regular students who will be doing next year. And we wish to see you more in future. Please come back to college whenever the college opens up, and you may be given a physical farewell. Maybe the second years would be kind enough, who would be now third years, so they would like to give you a physical farewell in case they want. If not formally, maybe informally. So my good wishes to everybody, and good luck to everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
I want to come in for a minute. I want to congratulate Sakshi on wearing a sari. I really appreciate her effort. It's so cute. All of you have dressed up, but she's really made the effort. So a big round of applause for her, for the effort. हम भी नहीं पहनते साड़ी आजकल.
Sakshi, you painted this wall at the back. Sorry, Yamil this side. Sakshi, you painted this wall at the back. That's it.
Oh, you're very talented. Oh. Well, Aditya also needs a mention. He has been running around to do so many things for you all. All the activities he has been around. All, whatever you want, you send Aditya aage. Ye puch ke aao, ma'am se ye kara do. He also needs a mention. Go ahead, please carry on.
Thank you, ma'am. So I think Yamal ma'am is also here.
Yes.
Yamal ma'am.
Yes, I'm there, Shivani. How are you?
Hi, can you guys hear me? I don't know.
I'm really good, ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot see you, ma'am.
Can you hear me first? Tell me that. Then I'll show you.
Yes, 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 we can hear you, but we cannot see you.
Now can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
It's such a lovely experience to see all of you together. It's very, very nice. And I wish you all very, very, good luck in
Hello.
anything you do.
Hello.
Hello, who's there?
Okay.
And
I'm sorry, I was just checking if my speaker is working or not.
yes, Sakshi, your speaker is working. Is that okay? So, this was my first batch. I started teaching when I started teaching. This batch which is going, which is now going out. Congratulations, Riddhi. Riddhi, congratulations for your job.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, all the second years, still we have, when some of the teacher asks for the list, final year के students की list दे दो, we always get confused. कौन सा वाला final year? Because we have not bid farewell to you formally. तो हमें अभी यही लगता है, कनक वाला batch is only the final year batch. So it's very, with this batch, I have special affection, I would say. And you'll be missed a lot. Okay,
Ma'am, we'll come. मैं तो Delhi में ही रहती हूँ.
Okay,
We'll come to
please. Yes, sure. You're always welcome. Do come to college. Stay in touch with your teachers. It's always nice when we see, our students doing well in life. Even if you're going through rough phases, I would, I would suggest that please be in touch with your teachers. You will always be motivated. Anshika, what happened? Be strong. Sakshi, your wall is really beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. I painted this. इससे पहले my microphone was not working. So
I told you, that's what Anita ma'am was also saying, that you are very talented.
That also I painted.
And I guess Manisha has also learned the art of cutting hair. So if any one of you is interested in getting a haircut.
Ma'am, I chopped off my colored hair आज. No colored hair anymore. It's just this थोड़ा सा बचा हुआ है. बाकी I chopped everything off.
Okay. So all the best. Kanak is doing something on pressing flowers. Purvi is making some cute videos. And Priya, where are you? Yes, I saw.
Ma'am, did you see the video?
I did see them.
Hi. How did you find it?
They are very nice, as pretty as you, and very simple and sober like you.
Would be no promotions here.
I'm not promoting.
Not promoting.
Okay, promotions are only for Catkin, right?
Okay. Or Abhishek, how are you? All of you are good. Although I can't see many of you, many of the students are missing. Ashu is there, but many are missing. Okay, bye. I'll not take much of your time. I wish you all the best in life and enjoy. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. We'll miss you.
Thank you, ma'am.
I also miss this
Bye,
batch a
ma'am.
lot. Bye.
Seriously,
Bye.
ma'am.
Take
Bye, ma'am.
Be in touch for anything. For anything. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.